I didn't expect that you don't have to pop a balloon to make a sound like this. I just literally added a sound of a falling box, a clap, sound of a clock, and the electric fan just to make that sound. Wow, right? Thanks, Audacity.
Hopping relic.
For the next sound effect I did was scratching the surface of my laptop just to make the sound similar to skating on ice. I don't have to wait for the weather to start raining to record the sound of raining droplets. I can make it too, from scratching a rough textured pillowcase. That's absurd, right? But I did! Here's the thing, let me warn you about the next two vids for my submission. It's a bit gory, blood, creepy. I suggest you should stop watching. Yes, you could listen, but not watch. On this part, I did my best to make a similar sound to scratching the carpet. So I did. But we don't have a carpet, so I made multiple recordings to find what I'm looking for. But why not combine them all? All we gotta do here is put them in unison. Experiment!
Yeah! Yeah, there he is! Something smells good in here!
So then again, this is the last part. I will warn you once more. Stop watching now, or you'll end up puking, or whatever. Okay, so there are a lot of genres for movies, videos, scenes. Let's go from comedy,
Thank you, you bed-hopping relic.
animation, sports, animation fantasy, thriller,
I wonder if she wants a big family. Oh, I hope she wants a big family.
and now gore. This was the first thing that came into my mind when I recorded the sound of crushing eggshells. And yes, from the video I recorded there, I cooked an egg to have that eggshell. I added more spice for the sound effect from adding the sound of a clicking pen, a clap, and the falling box.